Hi, it's Dr. Mark Eltis, and I want to address a very common condition today, astigmatism. Now, a lot of people get freaked out when their doctor says they have it, because maybe the word stigma seems to be in there. But I want to reassure you that astigmatism is a very common condition. It's one of the most common conditions, and it's no different than being farsighted or nearsighted in terms of its severity. It's just another one of those problems that needs glasses or contacts and can be corrected with laser surgery. So basically, astigmatism means that the front surface of the eye is a bit more curved. It's not perfectly round, so it's more like a football than, say, a baseball. But it's not a disease process. It's not any worse than being nearsighted or farsighted. It's simply, again, that the light coming from a faraway source doesn't make it to the right point on the retina or the back of the eye. So it's just like I said, like nearsightedness. It can get worse over time, but generally stabilizes in your mid-20s. It doesn't require medication. It's not severe. It's extremely common. So you really don't have to worry about it if you have it. For contact lenses, you may need a special contact lens to correct it, something called a toric lens, if your astigmatism is severe enough. And the reason for that is we need a lens that's weighted to correct for the curvature in your eye. And they're just slightly more expensive than the regular ones, and generally today they fit just as comfortably. So the bottom line is, don't worry if you have astigmatism. In most cases, it's not a disease. It's not something more severe than needing another type of glasses. It's extremely common, and it shouldn't cause you much problems if it's corrected with glasses, contacts, or even laser surgery if you choose that route.